Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment in Alabama. First, it is important to determine if you meet the eligibility requirements, which generally include having earned a minimum amount in wages during a base period and being unemployed through no fault of your own. Next, gather all necessary documents, such as your social security number, driver's license, or state ID, and your most recent employer's information. You can then file your claim conveniently online or by calling the designated toll-free number. When filling out your application, you will need to provide detailed information about your work history. This includes your complete employment record for the past 18 months. Be sure to list all employer names, their correct addresses, and the exact start and end dates for each position. It is also crucial to clearly explain the reason for your job separation, as this is a key factor in determining your eligibility for benefits. Accuracy in these details helps ensure a smooth processing of your claim. After entering all your information, carefully review everything for accuracy before submitting your claim. Once successfully filed, you will receive a confirmation number, which you should keep for your records. A critical step to continue receiving benefits is to certify your eligibility every single week. This weekly certification confirms you are still unemployed, able to work, available for work, and actively seeking employment. Remember, consistent weekly certification is essential for ongoing payments. Keep in mind, there is typically a 1-week unpaid waiting period before your benefits can begin. During this time, and throughout your claim, you must actively seek work and maintain a detailed record of your job search activities, including at least 3 contacts per week. It is also vital to respond promptly to any requests for additional information from the Alabama Department of Labor to avoid delays or denial of your benefits. Utilizing their online resources can also provide valuable support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.